my name is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. And in this video, I will be cleaning my bedroom, the living room, and the kitchen. I am stripping my bed so I can get my sheets washed up and just trying to get everything done before my husband's parents come down for Christmas. And I am sorry for the lighting in here. I had 3 light bulbs that went out and I am working with 1 light bulb. So sorry for the lighting. The lighting will get a little bit better as I get the camera more adjusted throughout cleaning my room. So right here I am just hanging up my husband's uniforms and getting some of the other clothing items hung up, folded, put away, and then here in a few minutes I will be working on making my bed back up. So I am just going to finish up in my room by getting my bed made and getting my UGG comforter put back on my bed. And UGG is just one of my favorite brands. I love their comforters. They are super soft and cuddly and warm. I am moving on into the living room, and I'm going to get my end tables wiped down and get the coffee table wiped down. So are you guys ready for Christmas? I'm ready. I love Christmas. It's one of my favorite holidays of the year. And when the kids were little, me and my husband, we wouldn't wait for them to wake up. We just couldn't wait because we wanted to wake them up and see their faces on Christmas morning. So we would wake the kids up around like 6 o'clock because we just couldn't stand it no more. We were ready for them to open up their presents, and plus we loved to play with the toys, everything that they got too, and it was just so much fun. But now my kids are teenagers, so the presents aren't so much fun for me and my husband as they are for the kids. I miss when they were little. And I didn't realize y'all couldn't really see me vacuuming over here. Sometimes when I am cleaning, I just kind of get in the zone and I forget to turn the camera a little bit. And then when I'm editing, it's like, well, crap, I just missed that whole spot because I forgot to turn the camera because I just got zoned out cleaning. And yeah. So my mother-in-law got me this for Christmas. She gave it to me early so we can actually enjoy it for Christmas this year. And she knows I got my YouTube channel, so she wanted me to be able to put it up so y'all can see it as well. And it is so cute. My husband, our little elf, he wrapped up a present and stuck it at the top. And made it look like he was throwing his present down to Santa. So now I have moved on into the kitchen. I'm just going to finish filling up the dishwasher so I can get that ran, and then I'm going to start wiping down the countertops. I'm just filling this bowl up with some hot soapy water because I had made biscuits earlier that morning for the kids for breakfast, and I had a bowl that had some chocolate left in it, so I was letting that sit in there so it can loosen up, so I was able to get it clean. And I am fixing a pot of water so I can make tea. So I'm just going to get the countertop cleaned off, get everything moved off of there, just to get it ready for wiping it down. I will wait until after my tea is done boiling before I spray that countertop, because I just don't want no Lysol or anything getting in it. Now my tea is done boiling, and move the pan out of the way so we can get this wiped down. So I am just going to finish up by cleaning out my sink and wiping that down really good, and then I'm going to start mopping the floor. I did sweep. I don't know what happened to the video of me sweeping, but I did sweep the floor, so now I am just moving on to mopping them. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and when you hit the bell notification button, it will let you know every time I upload a new video. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys next week. My video for next week will probably be a little late going up because of Christmas, and my in-laws are going to be down, so I'm going to try to get that up as soon as possible for you guys.